Hey guys, Kirsten here, and I'm here with my best friend,
Kaya.
and so we are going to be learning
Drumroll, please.
sounds by trombone. Okay, so we're gonna come back over here now.
Can I remove you now?
Okay, so what you want to do? So we have the mouthpiece, and it's kind of easy, just the one, I think. So when you play, you kind of want to go.
Not
Anyway,
like that. Don't do that.
So you have to like kind of tight. Like if you want a higher note, you have to like tighten your lips. Go. Yeah. And then if you want a lower note, you go. So pretty much you just buzz your lips. So
It's really fun.
So you're pretty much just gonna buzz your lips in the mouthpiece. That was a B.
Was it really?
Guys, it was a B.
Okay. Yell at me.
It was a low B. That is the third lowest note that on the trombone. And so if you want a higher note, there's a high B that I'm gonna play right now, and it's still in first position. So you gotta tighten those lips. That is the
High B.
The high B.
Okay, this is low B. This is high B.
And then, but there's a medium one. It's high
There
but low.
is?
Yeah, and it's an F.
It's an F. Okay. What's an F? How do you play that, Kirsten?
So when you make your lips budge a little bit, and then when you play a high note, it goes. Yeah, but then when you do a medium note, it goes. So you try a low B. Okay, now play the high B. So. That's an F, because try a little high. Go. Good job. And so
Actually, it's like high, medium, low.
High, medium, high, low.
Yeah.
So when I started, I thought it was just gonna be like, oh, not that hard, okay. So then I kind of learned, this was actually really easy, kind of learned this on the first day, just trying that out. But you can just go down, and it'll kind of make it sound like an airplane is crashing like this. And this is all low. So you do not tighten your lips. Okay, and then so I tried learning how to play Pink Panther. Sorry, I kind of.
Okay.
So that kind of thing. I can't remember.
That was actually pretty close.
So we had a concert.
It's really cool.
May 3rd. It was really fun. So we played West Wind Overture. And so
Where's the music?
hey, I can play that. It's pretty good. I'm good at it. Okay, so this one was my favorite. And then we played Everything's Awesome. But that one was kind of harder. And then Forbidden City, that one I did not like at all. So I play West Wind Overture now. So ready? Oh god.
Dark!
Oh
I'm
god.
freaking out!
Auto lights. There we go.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm freaking out!
Okay, ready? That scared me. So here we go. So
Everybody
try it.
cares about.
Just go. Come here. Do this. Go. Okay, See, and
I suck at trombone.
she's the flute, right?
I'm a flute.
But she's
Learning about trombone, so I'm new at this too, buds.
Anyway, so
Ooh, a
I'm
hat.
gonna try to play West Wind.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna play West Wind Overture really fast. It is full of chords, guys.
Oh.
And now they're all important. That you're gonna pick up. Okay, so I'm gonna play
Oh,
West
look.
Wind Overture really, really fast. Ready?
Look, a clarinet. Haha.
Ready?
Clarinet's right.
Yeah, I know that song.
And that is really awesome, and that's how you make a
That's
sound.
how you make a sound. That and in our next video, we're gonna show you how to put it together. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, Kirsten.
And cat.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye bye.